anytime you see it, when you're at the beach and you see it marked, like all marked off like this, like that, that's a sea turtle's nest. So leave those alone. So we're back out here at the beach. We're at Jensen Beach Access, and we're filming another episode of Help Me Find My Best Drone Shot. So I always enjoy making these episodes of Help Me Find My Best Drone Shot. Gives me a reason to get out and go fly the drone for one. Plus I just enjoy doing it. So I'm back out here at the beach again today to film another episode of Help Me Find My Best Drone Shot. And you can help by voting for your favorite shot in the comments. Help me find my best drone shot. Also too, I spotlight some of the comments in the next episode, so it's possible that if I choose your comment, I may spotlight it on this channel. So make a comment. Come on guys, what are you doing, man? No. All right, so I am going to look for a spot to go fly the drone. Really, I think any spot along this beach will do, but I'm going to set up. And while I'm doing that, let's take a look at last week and see which shot won. Whoa. Disney Vacation Channel voted for shot number 1. They love the way the focal point gradually shifted from the boat to the landscape behind. Thanks so much, Disney Vacation Channel, for casting your vote. The Laughing Lion voted for shot number 2 and went as far as to say that it was going to win for sure. Well, I guess we'll have to wait and see. ATJH Travels voted for shot number 3. Thank you so much for watching and thank you for voting. And I'd like to thank everyone that watched and voted in this episode. We did get a lot of votes, and well, I guess the Laughing Lion was right because shot number 2 won. I'd like to thank everyone that voted in last episode. We got a lot of votes, a lot of people made comments, and thank you for that. If I didn't spotlight you this week, you know there's always next week. But I appreciate everyone that voted. So I'm gonna fly this drone and get the shots for this week. Okay, so those were the 3 shots. I hope you found one that you liked. Like I said earlier, I really love shooting this series. I hope you enjoy it too. I hope you found a shot that you liked. I want to thank everyone that voted in the comments. I want to thank everyone that watched the video. Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm Scott, and this is my journey, and I will see you in the next video.